I'm Rob Chapp, and this is Gordon Russell. So we're starting with the Dodge gearbox. So our gearbox case looks good. All the bores are good. But what we found is the oil seals have failed, and then that caused bearing failure. You can see some of them are a little crunchy. And those are on the input shaft of the shaft mounted. And if we look inside, we can see that the keyway has eaten away some of the material as well. So we're going to get new bearings and seals and a new input shaft, and we will assemble this guy back together. And this is our Dodge shaft mounted 40-to-1 gearbox.